Title: The Space Adventure of Zara and Max. By Maywish Ashraf. Zara and Max were two best friends who loved to explore and discover new things. They had always dreamed of going on a space adventure, and one day, their dream came true. Zara and Max had been chosen to travel to a distant planet called Zorith to study its environment and collect samples for research. They were thrilled and couldn't wait to start their journey. As they set off in their spaceship, they were amazed by the view of space. They saw stars, planets, and galaxies they had never seen before. Zara and Max were excited to explore and discover the unknown. However, their excitement was short-lived as they encountered a sudden asteroid storm that damaged their spaceship's navigation system. They were lost in space and didn't know where they were. Zara and Max were worried, but they didn't give up. They decided to use their creativity and resourcefulness to fix the navigation system. After several attempts, they were able to repair it and set their course for Zorith. As they landed on the planet, they were awestruck by its beauty. Zorith had bright blue skies, lush green forests, and crystal-clear rivers. They quickly got to work, collecting samples and taking notes on the planet's unique features. However, their mission was interrupted by a group of aliens who had been observing them. The aliens were curious about Zara and Max's purpose on their planet and wanted to learn more about them. Zara and Max were surprised but not scared. They welcomed the opportunity to interact with a new species and exchanged knowledge with the aliens. They showed them their spaceship and talked about their home planet Earth. The aliens were fascinated and offered to help them fix their spaceship's navigation system. Zara and Max were grateful and, with the aliens' help, they were able to return home safely. Back on Earth, Zara and Max shared their experiences with their friends and family. They told them about the amazing planet they had visited and the friendly aliens they had met.